Hi there. My name is Suzy Rosenstein, and I'm your midlife coach and host of the podcast Women in the Middle. And it has been my pleasure to work with Vivek and his team at VOOFA.ca now for a year and a half. And I can't say enough positive things about them. They handle my website, which was a complete and total redesign, and also the production of my weekly podcast. So I need to rely on them. I don't know anything about techie stuff. And anytime I need a new landing page, or I need some kind of a sync with PayPal or with my mailing list, anything like that, it's just an email away and everything is handled. Highly reliable and just a joy to work with. So if you want to sleep at night knowing that your website is in good hands, definitely check out VOOFA.ca.